guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Adora, aka Leo Kitty. So guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update on this style. And okay, at the beginning of the year I decided to go on a mini braid journey. I've always been a twist girl. If you know me, like, it's been twists, and it's not even like it has to be proper twist. It has to be like, sometimes it's 6, sometimes it's 7, sometimes it's 10, it's 12. Hold on a second. Sometimes it's 6, sometimes it's 10, and sometimes it's 12. Like 12 is like I actually made an effort. So I've always been a twist girl. And once in a while I kind of like go out there and I twist my hair really. So, but I find out that I kind of look really unkept very quickly. So I decided to, give this mini braid a try. I think I had a friend of mine who is a client also come in, and she was talking about this mini braid thing. And I had seen it in pockets here and there on the internet. And I decided to jump on it too. I had my mini twist in at the time. I wanted to do mini twist actually, but it was getting so old so quickly. I'm going to put a picture somewhere around here so you guys can see. It was getting pretty old so quickly, and your scalp is not scalpy, the parts are not so neat and stuff. But this, and trust me, I'll go anywhere with it. But guess what? With this, guys, I used to say I could enter the governor's office with my 6 twist. This one I can enter the president's office with my, mini braids. It's really looking really nice. So for me personally, I love this. I love this style. It's so it's so doable. Okay. And why was the reason I didn't really like to do braids? Because I felt it was more manipulation than twist. It might be, but I find that over time it's actually less, it's even more protective for me, really, because with the twist, it gets rough quickly. Your hairs are just flying everywhere. There might just be more, and I'm not saying there is, but there might just be more flyaways that will get caught in things as she lay down and all of that. But with the braids, it's a bit more, and I made them a bit tight. They're not so loose. It's a bit more tucked in. Your hairs are a bit more tucked in, and if you protect it well at night, you're good to go. And another pro of the mini braids over the mini twist is this stays neater for longer. I'm gonna insert like pictures and videos of when I had it for like a month. It was still looking nice. And for me with this one, you can easily tell, like, track your progress, like how much hair you're growing, because right now it's firm. I just did this a day ago. So right now it's firm. As it's growing out, you'll be seeing the growth, of which with twist, because they kind of come undone at the roots faster, you wouldn't really know if that is growth or if it's just the coming undone of the twist. So for me, this is easier for me to track my growth, and I personally feel like I've retained more length with this. I mean, you guys be the judge of it, but I'm gonna put side by side pictures of the previous ones I have done, and I feel like I've I'm retaining more length. But my people were like, ah man, your hair is growing. I kind of feel like I've retained more length with this, and I'm very happy about that. Then with this style, I can also easily get to my scalp to do my scalp massage. Remember, this year we're hacking hair growth. I can't wait to see what the length of this is going to be by December. I know that it's going to be pretty long, and I'm really looking forward to that. So, but with this style, I can easily get to my scalp to apply my scalp stuff and do my scalp massage. And funny enough, with this style, it stays moisturized too, even more. And that's really impressive for me. It stays really moisturized for a very long time, and for that is a win-win. Okay, so of which with the twist it stays moisturized, but after a while it kind of gets frizzy and dry. But with this style, I moisturize it. I still can moisturize it, and it stays really good for me. Okay, so then also the wear out. I'm going to show you in my next video like different ways you can style the mini braids if you don't really want to wear it like this all the time. It's really versatile. There are so many things you can do. Okay, but just know that your girl is feeling this style and we ain't going back. They ain't going back. Okay, so I just said let me hop on here and tell you guys why I'm loving these braids. And if you want to retain length in a protective style, I think this is for you. You can do this, and I'm sure you'll be very, very happy with the results at the end of the day. So till see you next time. This is a short video. I'll see you guys. Bye.